let me show you how to bulk delete emails on Yahoo Mail. So, all we need to do is you can select them individually by pressing the box on the left hand side here, or if you come up to the top left hand corner of the mail, you'll see this single box. Select that, and that will select all the conversations or emails in your inbox. Then you want to select delete. You can undo it if you wish. However, that'll be all the emails placed into the delete folder or the deleted items. Now if you're on the Yahoo basic mail, you can select all in the top corner, very similar. It's just a button this time. It will select them all. Then you want to select delete. That will delete all the emails and they'll be placed in the deleted items folder. Again, you can put them back. It's a little more involved this time, so let's select them all. Select actions, then move to inbox, then apply. You'll put them all back. However, hopefully that helps you out how to bulk delete emails on Yahoo Mail. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.